Close your eyes for a second. Try to imagine the most darkest and corrupt coal mines on the planet. Times that by 100, and you've got Blair Mountain. It's hard making a living in this town, and even harder to stay alive. But with Mayor Chafin, you never know what's gonna happen.
Man, I sure do love them unions.
What did you just say?
We were talking about unions.
You know my feeling towards them union folk. Lucky it don't blasto you right now.
Try me.
That's in the background. No! What?
I'm tired of Chafin pushing us around.
And now he's shooting folks in the street.
We've got to form a union.
But how?
Did somebody say union? And so, Bill Blizzard taught the miners the way of the union. Bill Blizzard was a man of peace, but he knew they couldn't do it without a fight. He gave the miners guns and taught them how to use them, then set off for Blair Mountain, where he knew Chafin would be.
Here it is, Blair Mountain. Better get ready for one heck of a hoedown, throwdown.
There it is, Blair Mountain. Be careful, man. They have snipers.
Think they spotted us yet?
I don't think so. I've had enough of this. Get up, y'all!
Get ready! The miners are coming!
Go! Everybody! Who are you?
I am Bill Blizzard.
Wait, who are you?
I am the great General Burgoyne. Eons ago, I have been defeated, but today I shall grant you the power of evil!
Centipede.